Hello everyone, welcome back to our session where we are solving investment advisor level 1 numericals. So yet another numerical which is there on the screen. Here we have to find the EMI. So EMI, if you want to do this calculation in MS Excel, for that you have to use PMT function. Okay, so imagine if I open MS Excel here. Here, if I'm opening MS Excel, first I'll show you the calculation in MS Excel, and then I'll show you if you're doing it with pen and notebook, how will you do that? So imagine here what you have to do, you just write down the loan. The loan amount is around 40 lakh rupees as per this question. So this is your 40 lakh rupees. Let me put comma. This is your loan amount. Rate of interest here is 10.5%. So the rate of interest is 10.5% per annum. So since whenever we talk about EMI, you pay EMI. EMI means equated monthly installment. So here this rate of interest you have to convert in per month. So per month you are getting this value, that is 8.75%. This is per month, not 8.75%, 0.875% per month. And the time for this loan, this is given in the problem as 20 year. So this 20 year, if I'm paying per month, every month 12 times if I'm paying, so in 20 years, I'll pay total 240 periods. Okay, so here, if you want to calculate the EMI, here if you want to calculate the EMI, for that you have to use PMT function. Here rate would be 0.875%. Time period would be 240. Okay, PV here NPR. Okay, NPR is the time period. PV is the present value of loan, which is 40 lakh rupees. FB will be zero and type will be zero. So zero here, FB means there's no future value of money, and type means if you put zero means that is at the end, one means at the beginning. So you'll get the EMI as 39,935.20. Same thing if you want to do with notebook and pen. For that you have to use present value of annuity formula. Present present value of annuity. So present value of annuity formula, if you use, the formula is annuity divided by rate of interest. This is 1 plus rate of interest to the power time minus 1 divided by 1 plus rate of interest to the power time. This is the formula. Present value of annuity would be your loan, 40 lakh rupees. This is your loan. A annuity is your EMI. Rate of interest is 0.875 if I'm not wrong. So that is 0.875. 0.875%. This is 0.00875. So 0.875%. This is 1 plus 0.875% to the power 240, right? To the power 240 minus 1 divided by 1 plus 0.875% to the power 240. So this calculation you have to do in order to solve this question. So 1 plus 0.875 is this value, then this to the power 240, you'll get this value, and this value minus 1, you'll get 7.091918. So here you'll get is 40 lakh. 40 lakh 40 lakh is equal to EMI divided by 0.00875. This is to the power 1 to the power 240 minus 1, 7.091, 7.0919118 divided by 8.091918. Okay, so this divide by this, is 0.87942. This is, if I bring this side, so 40 lakh into 0.00875 is EMI into 0.87642. 0.87642. So 40 lakh into this is 35,000. This is 35,000 divided by 0.87642, which is equal to, this is equal to 39,935, 39,935.20 rupees, which is equal to your EMI. So guys, either you can use Excel or you can do the same question by using present value of annuity. So these are the steps you can notice. This is the way how to do this. So it's all up to you how you understand, you follow that way of getting the answer. Okay, guys. So it's time to wind up this session. Thank you, everyone.